dog eating stupid fish sandwich for lunch. It's windy out today. Cloudy, windy out. This morning I fed that stray cat. The one that has the kittens, but not the kittens themselves. And I just put some, she was hiding under the camper. Just put some food right next to it, and she came out and ate. Well, I stood a little bit further behind. She was a little bit scared, but at least she ate the food. I'll see you later. So guys, it's about 4 o'clock right now. It's windy and chilly out. Just got home from getting a Christmas tree. The cat hasn't come yet for her second meal, whatever, supper, or whatever it is. I know she will at one point. So, yeah. So guys, now it's 4:15. And the supper's done. More stupid fish. It looks really dark in here, but it's actually not. The cat just came by and ate. So yeah, she didn't eat all the food because there's a ton in there, but she ate. I saw her. She's getting less and less shy, I think. I'll show you how it looks up there. Oh crap. See what I mean? It's not dark yet. It's getting there though. Another 10 minutes, 20 minutes. That'll be it. And by the way, guys, it's nighttime now. It's 8 o'clock. We're going to be getting a huge snowstorm in a few days. It's going to be on November 31st. So, it is really cold now, so I can tell it's happening. Okay. For all of you who didn't think twice about that, here's a November calendar. Okay, did you look at the end of it? Like right where the 30 is? There's no 31st of November. I love that one. That one always gets people. I hope it got you guys. I know it got you guys. But yeah, I'm just sitting in here. The moon's really bright. It's really bright tonight. I hope you could see it. It's like a half moon, but it's still really bright tonight. So yeah. Hey guys, so now it's 10 o'clock, and I'm going to be going to bed soon, so just got this jacket out here. It's like 21, maybe a little more. It's around 21, 22, 20, whatever degrees. And tomorrow I'm going to feed some more of this. Usually she'll come by like in the morning before I've gotten a chance to fill out the bowl. And last time she did, she just sat there. That was today, by the way. She just sat there, so I walked out. Yeah, I already told you this, but I put the food out and she came and took it. So, I'm gonna end the end of the vlog. I got some bird food to put out tomorrow. Got loads. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow in the vlog.